Before applying, eligibility. Ensure you meet Google's requirements like being 18 plus and owning the website with accessible HTML code. Content quality. Focus on high quality, original, and informative content that attracts an audience. Avoid thin content, chowsy, and copyright violations. Website traffic. Demonstrate consistent traffic from organic sources. New websites with low traffic might have a harder time getting approved. Policy compliance. Thoroughly review and adhere to Google's AdSense program policies, covering content restrictions, prohibited activities, and technical guidelines. You can find these on the AdSense Help Center. Navigation and design. Make sure your website is user-friendly with clear navigation and easy-to-understand design. Avoid intrusive pop-ups or misleading elements. During application details. Accurately and honestly fill out the application form with complete information about your website and content. Site representation. Ensure your website accurately reflects the information you provided in the application. Don't make significant changes while waiting for approval. Additional tips. Website privacy. Implement a clear and well-defined privacy policy that complies with relevant regulations. Terms of service. Have clear and accessible terms of service for your website. Contact information. Provide easily accessible contact information on your website. Patience. Approval can take days or even weeks, so be patient and wait for their decision. Remember, focus on quality. Building a high-quality website with valuable content is the most important factor for approval. Follow policies. Ensure compliance with all AdSense program policies to avoid rejection. Be patient. Getting approved takes time, so focus on improving your website while you wait. Beyond these tips, Google doesn't disclose specific approval details, so these tips are based on available information and best practices. Consider exploring alternative monetization options if your application is rejected.